Today, we're taking a close look at Wintersmith, a website builder designed to help users create beautiful and functional websites. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience building websites, Wintersmith offers a range of tools to simplify the process. The interface is intuitive, with drag-and-drop functionality that makes it easy to add content, images, and sections to your website. The platform offers various templates, allowing you to choose a style that suits your project. From personal blogs to business websites, there's a variety of options to get started quickly. One of Wintersmith's standout features is its level of customization. If you have coding knowledge, you can dive deeper into the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript options to truly make your site unique. As we explore Wintersmith's dashboard, you'll notice that all the controls are neatly organized. The design tools are accessible, and you can switch between different sections of your site without any hassle. Adding new pages is straightforward, and the responsive design ensures that your website looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. This is a major plus if you want your site to perform well across different platforms. Many users will appreciate the ability to integrate third-party applications, such as analytics tools, e-commerce features, and more. Wintersmith's flexibility makes it a great choice for anyone looking to build a site with specific needs. Whether you're running an online store or creating a portfolio, the platform scales to fit your requirements. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another key benefit of Wintersmith is its speed. Websites built on the platform load quickly, which is essential for user retention and SEO performance. Performance is a priority here, and it's evident from the smooth user experience across different browsers. Overall, Wintersmith is an excellent option for users who want a balance of simplicity and power. Its user-friendly interface, combined with the option for deeper customization, provides great value for both newcomers and experienced web designers. If you're interested in learning more or getting started with Wintersmith, check out the description for helpful links and tutorials. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more honest reviews and web building tips.